Welcome to class, and let us solve this GCSE math question which most students were not able to solve. Okay, now this is a cuboid, okay, and we are told, or we're given, that the surface area of the cuboid is 270 centimeter square, and we are requested to show x squared plus 4x minus 45 equals 0. Okay, and here we're given that the length here is x plus 6. Now the height here is x, and the base here is x. Alright, for us to ascertain the surface area of the shape, which is a cuboid, all we just need to do is let me quickly draw out the internal part of it, so that we get to know how many surfaces makes up the total shape. Okay, from this now we can see that it's made up of 6 surfaces. Okay, and let us also recognize that one of the surfaces, which is this top here, has a length of x plus 6. Okay, and this part, okay, which is the base, which corresponds with the base, is x. So if I'm to write x here, which means the area of this top surface will be a equals length times width, which gives us x plus 6 times x, right? And if we check the number of surfaces that corresponds, or that is similar to this, we see it is 4 of this kind of surface. So here we can now multiply the whole of this by 4. So here we have 4, then times, take note, when we multiply x through by 6 plus 4, we end up having x squared plus 6x, and when we expand this, we end up having 4x squared plus 24x. Okay, now the next part we'll be looking at is this shape, or this area, okay, which is made up of x as the height and x as the base, and this part is the same as this part, which means that is 2 of it. So let us calculate the area also. So let's say area 2, take note this is area 1, so this gives us x times x, which is equals to x squared. Okay, and we'll multiply this by 2 because we have 2 of such surface. So here we have x squared, which gives us what? 2x squared. So the surface area of the cuboid will now be the total sum of the surfaces. Okay, now the first 4 surfaces is given by this, and the second 2 surfaces is given by this. So all we just need to do is to sum all together. So let's say the surface area then equals area of 1, which is made up of 4 surfaces, plus the area of 2, which is made up of 2 surfaces, which gives us 4x squared plus plus 24x, then plus 2x squared. Take note that the surface area is giving us what? 270 centimeter squared. So here you have 270, then equals, when we sum this and this, it gives us 6x squared, then plus 24x. Alright, let us rearrange and make the equation equal 0. Okay, so here we have 6x squared plus 24x, then minus 270 equals 0. So if you take a look, you see it has a common factor, which is 6. Let us multiply through by, divide through by 6. So this 6 clears off 6. 6 here 1, 6 here we have 4. 6 here 1, 6 into 70, we have 45. Okay, and we know this is 0, so we end up having x squared plus 4x then minus 45 equals 0. So we've just answered the question as easy as this. Please don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.